These three natural ingredients can tighten your neck and jawline, smooth out sagging skin, and give you a more sculpted look, all without fillers, surgery, or expensive creams. But here's the part almost nobody knows. Ingredient number 3 contains natural peptides that work faster on loose skin than most store-bought firming products, and it's something you can make right at home. Once you see how these ingredients lift and firm your neck area, you'll wonder why nobody talks about them. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive in. Before we get into the first ingredient, I want to explain something that most people, including dermatologists, rarely talk about. Neck and jawline aging isn't just about wrinkles. The neck ages differently than the face. The skin here has fewer oil glands, thinner collagen fibers, and lower elasticity. That's why the first signs of aging for many women actually show up on the neck before the face. Another thing most people don't realize is that the neck has a muscle called the platysma. As it weakens over time, it pulls downward. This creates that turkey neck look, jawline softness, bands, and sagging. So when we talk about tightening the neck, we're not just talking about skin, we're talking about fascia, muscle tone, lymph circulation, and collagen support all working together. If you want to learn more about collagen and how to smooth wrinkles naturally, join our Collagen Blueprint free community today. That's why these three ingredients are so effective. They don't just moisturize, they help with structure, they help with circulation, they help with collagen, and when you combine them with the right technique, the results can be shockingly good. All right, let's get into ingredient number 1. And this one is a game changer because it works on the physical tension patterns that actually drag the neck downward. Ingredient number 1 is the gua sha plus oil combo. Now, before you scroll past thinking gua sha is just some trendy tool, let me explain something most people don't know. Gua sha isn't primarily about scraping the skin. It's about releasing fascia, the connective tissue that holds muscles, fat, and skin in place. When fascia gets tight, it pulls the skin downward, creates folds, blocks lymph flow, and makes everything look heavier. When fascia is relaxed and circulation improves, the jawline looks sharper, the neck looks tighter, and swelling goes down. And with the right oil, gua sha becomes one of the simplest natural lifting tools you can use. Let's talk science for a second. Gua sha increases microcirculation by up to 400%, according to several studies. That means more oxygen, more nutrients, more collagen-building potential. It also helps drain lymphatic fluid, which reduces puffiness and makes the jawline look more defined. And when used consistently, it can actually help retrain the platysma muscle so the neck doesn't pull down as much. But gua sha only works well if you use the right oil. You need something that gives slip, nourishes the skin, and supports elasticity. Here's my favorite recipe for the gua sha combo. 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 tablespoon of rosehip seed oil, 5 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of lavender or myrrh. Optional. Mix it in a small dropper bottle. Apply 5 to 7 drops to clean skin before doing your gua sha routine. To do the technique correctly, always start by warming the neck with upward strokes using the curved side of the gua sha tool. Then move to the jawline, sweeping from the chin to the ear in slow, smoothing motions. You're not scraping, you're gently guiding the fluid. Do this for 5 minutes. 3 to 4 times a week. Most people notice definition returning to the jawline within 2 weeks, especially if you stay consistent. Now let's move to ingredient number 2, and this one shocks people because it's so powerful, yet most of us have never used it in skincare. Ingredient number 2 is a guava leaf tightening cream. If you've never used guava leaves on your skin, get ready, because this ingredient is incredible for the neck. Guava leaves contain natural compounds that inhibit collagenase, the enzyme that destroys collagen. When collagenase is blocked, collagen fibers stay stronger and firmer. That means tighter skin, fewer folds, and a smoother jawline. But that's not all. Guava leaves are loaded with tannins, quercetin, flavonoids, and skin-toning compounds that help reduce sagging. If you've ever felt like the skin under your chin has lost its snap, guava leaf is one of the best natural remedies you can use. Here's the DIY recipe. 5 fresh guava leaves, or 1 tablespoon dried guava leaves, 1/4 cup water, 2 tablespoons aloe gel, 1 tablespoon sweet almond oil, 3 drops frankincense. Boil the guava leaves in the water for 5 minutes. Let them cool and strain out the liquid. You should be left with a concentrated guava extract. Mix the extract with aloe gel and almond oil until it becomes a light cream. Add the essential oil for extra support. Store it in the fridge for up to a week. Apply this cream to your neck and jawline every night. Let it absorb completely before bed. The tannins tighten the surface while the flavonoids support deeper collagen networks. People often start noticing a firmer feel after 7 to 10 days. especially on the central neck area. And if you have little creases or lines forming, guava leaf can smooth those quicker than most natural ingredients you'll see. Alright, now let's get into ingredient number 3, the one I mentioned in the intro, the one almost nobody talks about, even though it's one of the most effective natural peptide sources for tightening loose skin. Ingredient number 3 is sea kelp firming gel. Let me explain why sea kelp is so powerful. Sea kelp contains natural peptides, minerals, and polysaccharides that mimic the structure of collagen. These compounds help the skin hold moisture, increase elasticity, and improve firmness. Kelp gel works incredibly well for the neck. For one main reason, the skin here is thin and absorbs nutrients quickly. When you apply kelp gel topically, it acts like a natural lifting agent, giving both immediate tightening and deeper structural support. Kelp is also rich in iodine, magnesium, and antioxidants that help your skin repair itself. Plus, it supports fibroblasts, the cells responsible for building collagen. Here's the kelp firming gel recipe. 1 tablespoon powdered sea kelp, 2 tablespoons aloe gel, 1 teaspoon glycerin. Optional, but helps with glide. 5 drops rosemary or peppermint essential oil. A splash of warm water if needed to thin it. Mix the kelp powder with a teaspoon of water until it forms a paste. Then add the aloe, glycerin, and essential oil. Whip everything together until smooth. Store it in a glass container in the fridge for up to a week. Apply a thin layer to your neck and jawline once or twice daily. You can use it under makeup or right before bed. It dries quickly and gives a natural tightening effect that feels like a gentle lift. What I love about this ingredient is that the effect compounds over time. After 30 days, most people notice better firmness, especially right under the chin and along the jaw. If you take progress photos, you'll actually see the difference. Now let's talk about combining all 3, because this is where the magic really happens. Use the gua sha plus oil combo 3 or 4 times per week to boost circulation and help with definition. Use the guava leaf cream at night, especially for deeper folds, crepiness, or loose skin above the collarbone. Use the kelp gel in the morning for a daily lift and all-day firmness. This triple combo supports the fascia, muscles, collagen fibers, and moisture barrier all at once. That's why it works so well. If you're under 40, you can alternate treatments depending on what your skin needs. If you're 40 to 55, combine all 3 for best results. If you're over 55, be consistent. Most sagging at this age comes from collagen decline, muscle tension, and low circulation. This routine supports all 3. And as always, what you eat matters. Collagen comes from the inside out. Make sure you're getting enough protein, vitamin C, minerals, and healthy fats. Lower your sugar intake because sugar damages collagen faster than almost anything else. If you want more help with collagen, anti-aging routines, and natural remedies, join my Collagen Blueprint community. It's free for founding members, and you'll get recipes, routines, and support to help you look and feel your best. If this video helped you, please like it so more people can find it. Comment below and tell me which ingredient you're excited to try first. And let me know if you want a part 2 with natural jawline exercises or neck masks. Simple natural things work the best. God gave us all the remedies we need right here on earth. I pray God bless you, strengthen you, and bring healing to every part of your body. Thank you for being here with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.